Hello, I'm Dr. Rafel. Welcome to Eastside Wellness Active Care Series. The next exercise we're going to do is a single arm pull. In this case, we're going to use a prone grip out of a split stance. This is a dynamite exercise for strengthening the posterior chain, which is weak on most people. And we're using a single arm because I also use this exercise many times to help with mobility between the shoulder blades. We're going to have one arm going one way as far as we can and the other arm going the opposite way. Generally, we tend to think of mobilizing the mid-back with stretching, but it can be done just as well using weights. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you have a pulley system, it's much more easy. And I want this pulley a little below Amy's shoulder height, because when she's in the split stance, then it'll be about at her shoulder height, okay? And so what she's going to do is she's going to stretch and kind of put a load through this arm as she steps back with the opposite, in this case, right leg. Okay, and then what I want, because this arm is moving forward, exactly, I want this arm back as much as possible. That's creating all kinds of motion between that shoulder blade. And then what we want to do is, this is really a hip-driven exercise. The mid-back and the upper back come in later. I want her to push through that heel, shifting her hips back and shifting all of her weight, in this case, back to her right foot as it turns out. And the other arm now moves forward. Good. Again, I want a good shoulder set position. She's set and locked in. And again, she's going to move. Great. Can we switch, Amy, and show that from the other side? She's going to walk it out. And the reason I want her to walk it out a little bit is that's going to stretch, and all muscles like to kind of be stretched before they're asked to contract. Okay? And then we're going to pull. Good. And back. Creating as much hand space as we can. Good. Back again. I'm going to cue her a little bit because she wants to jump forward or up by her ear a little bit as she pulls, making sure you keep that shoulder in the set position. That's a single arm pull. Thank you.